Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to stop chlorine burning eyes step by step. Rinse your eyes right away using clean water or saline, then remove any contact lenses and avoid rubbing. Use cool compresses and blink frequently to clear residual chlorine and reduce stinging. Apply preservative-free lubricating drops for comfort and watch for worsening symptoms like increasing pain or blurred vision, and seek medical care if those occur. Start by rinsing under running water or saline for 1 to 2 minutes while blinking to help flush out chlorine. Remove contact lenses before any rinsing and avoid eye rubbing to prevent damage. After flushing, apply a cool compress for 10 to 15 minutes and consider preservative-free artificial tears to restore moisture. Monitor symptoms closely and seek professional care if pain worsens, vision blurs, or redness increases despite initial treatment. To prevent future chlorine eye burns, consistently wear swim goggles that seal well and fit your face. Rinse off in the shower immediately after leaving the pool and gently splash or irrigate your eyes to remove residual chlorine. Avoid contact lens use while swimming and consider daily disposables for swim days. Keep preservative-free lubricating drops handy, and if you swim regularly, check pool chlorine levels and communicate concerns with facility staff to protect your eyes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.